Welcome! If you've ever struggled to find your most recently updated files in Google Drive on your phone, you're not alone. Today, I'll show the fastest way to reorder your files by last modified date using the Google Drive mobile app, so you can always keep your most current work at your fingertips. First, grab your phone and open the Google Drive app. Once you're in, head to My Drive, or open any folder where you want to sort your files. This works in any directory, whether you're organizing work documents, photos, or class notes. Now take a look at the top right corner of your screen. You'll see a small icon that looks like 3 horizontal lines with up and down arrows. That's the sort icon. Tap on it. This brings up the sorting options for your files and folders. From the list of sorting choices, tap on Last Modified. Instantly, your files will rearrange themselves, showing the most recently edited files right at the top. This makes it super easy to find the latest versions, whether you or someone else made the changes. If you want to reverse the order, just tap the sort icon again and select Last Modified once more. This toggles between showing the most recent files first or last, depending on your preference. Sorting by Last Modified is especially helpful when you're collaborating with others, as it reflects changes made by anyone with access to the file, not just you. So, no more guessing which document was updated last or scrolling endlessly to find that important file. And that's it. With just a few taps, you can keep your Google Drive organized and always have your most up-to-date files right where you need them. Try it out and see how much easier it is to stay on top of your digital workspace. Thanks for watching, and if you found this helpful, don't forget to check out more tips to make your digital life simpler.